Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Sivananda Yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing in the wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Marc. I'm a Sivananda Yoga teacher based in London, Greenwich. Today I'm sharing with you how to practice Kapalabhati breathing. Kapalabhati literally means shining skull breathing, falls under Pranayama. Pranayama breathing exercises, although it's more a cleansing exercise, a kriya exercise for the body. So we are getting rid of any stain in our lungs. We are really energizing the body, enriching the oxygen level in our bloodstream. A reason why we are getting more heat after the practice and really energized. So for Kapalabhati breathing, really come into any cross-legged sitting position. Your spine, shoulders is completely relaxed, face relaxed. Bring the palms into chin mudra, thumb, index finger lightly touching, spread the other fingers away. Have the palms not too far away from the knees, elbows quite close to the body. Roll the shoulders up and back. Tuck the chin slightly in. Relax your face, soften the eyes. Just for a moment, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply into the abdomen, followed by chest up to the clavicles. When you exhale, squeeze first the air out from the abdomen, followed by chest and clavicles. So for Kapalabhati breathing, we are really, it's pumping where we are exhaling quite forcefully. We bring the abdomen in and up. We always breathe through the nose. Inhale through the nose. The inhalation comes automatically when we relax the abdomen. To make sure that you're really exhaling, bringing the abdomen in and up, I recommend to the beginning to place one palm on the abdomen, so you can really feel that you are exhaling, exhaling, exhale, abdomen in and up. The pumping itself is quite rhythmically. Don't start too strong from the beginning, so really you feel like a bit of shaking in the whole body. However, try to keep the shoulders, spine, face, eyes relaxed. Let's have a try. So inhale comfortably and we start. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 2, 2, 2, 2. Two through the nose. Two. So you can continue this in your own rhythm about 40 to 60 times, and then you completely release and relax. The second part of this pranayama exercise, Kapalabhati, is to hold the breath. So when we are holding the breath, you completely release and relax, deep inhalation, then slow, complete exhalation. You inhale comfortably, 3/4 of the capacity of the lungs. You hold the breath without any strain. You keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. When we are holding the breath, we call it Kumbhaka. It's like a vessel. We're building really space and allow energy to rise up the spine. So what happens in Kapalabhati breathing? We are stimulating the solar plexus with the pumping. It's the same muscle when we are laughing. And through the energy which is releasing and coming up the spine, you might feel a sensation. When you hold the breath, even try to loosen the tongue from the palate. Keep completely relaxed. You can repeat mentally your own mantra, Om, as the universal sound. And you focus if you are more emotional in your heart center, Anahata chakra, or in your eyebrow center, Anya chakra, Trikuti. And after a while, you completely release and relax. That's all for today. Wonderful day. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om. Tat Sat.